Not getting out of it that easily.
If she catches you, let go of your legs straight away. Because I kept them hooked and it just went.
Okay, ready up on.
Listening to Debs.
Ready?
And the sun's coming up.
Legs up, up those knees. And
Oh, nice.
big reach back.
Oh!
She had her hands as well. As I grabbed you, you twisted your hands out of my hand.
It's like, get off! Get your hands off me!
Who's next up?
I haven't been. No.